Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney and today I'm going to be showing you my go-to glam look for whenever I'm going out or a date night or something like that. As you can see, I already have my foundation and all my face makeup done already, so this is going to be focusing on eyes and what I put on my lips. If you would like to see how I do my foundation routine, I do have a few videos showing that. So I will link right here how I do my foundation routine to make it last all night. Okay, so let's get into doing the eyes. So you just want to make sure your eyes are prepped. You can use concealer or I just use foundation. Now I do have a little bit of cream contour in my crease. I like to put bronzer or something like that down in the crease just to pull the whole face together, and you'll have that same shade on your cheeks and in the crease of your eye, so you have like a natural contour of the eye. I'm still using the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is my go-to palette at the moment. I always go in with the shade Silk Cream into the crease, and I'll use a Sephora blending shadow brush, and I'll just put that in the crease like that and blend it out almost up into the brow bone, but you don't want it to be dark up here. You want it to be the lightest out here. Next, I work on the outer corner to deepen that up, and since I already have my face makeup done, I'm going to use this sponge, this sharp edge here, to keep the shadow from going further down so that the eye doesn't start to look drawn down. We want it to look more cat eye. For this I use a Sephora Precision Shadow Brush, and then I go in with the shade Mocha, brown shade here. I just start to pack this on the outer corner. And then also I'm starting to blend into the center of the eye and also up into the crease. And then I'll take that same brush that I used to put into the crease and just go gently around the brown color that we just put down and blend it very gently. Depending on what I'm wearing, I will either do Obsessed or SBN on the lid for a shimmer. I'm gonna go with SBN today, and I just pop that on the inner lid. I'll go in with a deeper brown, this shade Central Park, and focus that on the very outer edge and almost bring it into the crease like halfway. And then again, blending with the first crease brush that we used. Same thing, just blending that into the outer eye. And then I do mascara on the top lashes, and I use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Now you could just do mascara and skip lashes, but I'm going to do lashes today. And my go-to lashes are the Ardell Demi Wispies. Alright, so I'm just going to pop those on off camera. Okay, so as you can see, that changed the look a lot, putting the lashes on, but you don't need them. So next we do the lower lash line. I'm going to start with the shade Mocha and put that starting at the outer corner and bringing it in to the inner corner. Then again with the crease brush with nothing extra on it, we're just gonna lightly dust right under that to make sure there's no harshness. So you could add eyeliner to this look if you want. I usually don't do that. If I do it, I'll put a very dark brown eyeshadow in my waterline. I'm just gonna do some mascara on the lower lashes, and then just for something a little extra, a little inner corner highlight with either the shade In Light Beam or Obsessed. I'm gonna do Obsessed today, and I'm just gonna wet my brush a little with some Fix Plus. There we go. Okay, so that's what I do for the eyes. I think it's a pretty easy eye look to follow. I don't think it's very difficult to do. I think the hardest part would be the blending, but even that, I don't think this is a hard look to do. My lip combo, I like to use the Milani lip pencils. This is the Easy Liner. It's retractable in the shade Most Natural. Okay, so then I'll just line my entire lips with that. So if I'm gonna be going out to eat, or I know I'm gonna be having some drinks or something, I'll put on a liquid lipstick to ensure that this lip color will stay on all night. This is the shade Bow and Aero. And then I just let that dry. And then if I want a gloss, I'll put a gloss over top. This is the shade Salted Caramel by I Heart Revolution. And it smells like caramel, it smells so good. Sometimes I'll pop this shade in the center, which I should have done that first, but. And this is Maybelline Baddest Beige. And then I will set everything with my all-nighter, with my Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray. This is my go-to look for going out, date night, or anything like that. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a like, and please subscribe if you would like to see more videos from me. Please follow me on all my social medias. It's at Latest Courtney everywhere, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. If you do recreate these looks, tag me on Instagram, and I would love to see your recreations of this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.